Morning legends, 5 AM Lake McDonald. That red glow you can see is the sun coming. Early morning, top water bite. Let's see how we go. Oh, missed. Come on, come back. Come back. That was a good fish. That was a good fish. Missed the hook. Oh, yep, that's him, that's him. Yep. Oh, far out. I love these fish. There we go. Come here. Alright. Oh, you got off. Beautiful. Very good. Didn't see him. Too dark to see him anyway. Very happy with that. Gotta love bass on surface. 2 hits on that cast. Hooked up the second one. Not hooked very well though, but he got off. It doesn't matter. Just letting him go anyway. It would have been nice to have seen him, but it's too dark to see him anyway. Anyway, let's get another cast in. Bit of a ripple on the water this morning. Can't actually see my lure with this ripple. Oh, there it is. Oh, yeah, he's on. Oh, that was a very subtle take. He jumped. Is that a taker? Very good. Well, there you go, people. I've got another little bass, or first bass in the boat. What's that little? It's not a bad size. Have to be close to 40. Be 38, something like that. 36, 38. Beautiful fish. Still dark. Wow. That's pretty good. 3 fish encountered already. 2 hooked, 1 caught. Very good. Thank you. Hot air balloon off in the distance there. That'd be a great way to start the day. It'd be beautiful views. Well, legends, that's it. I think come out really early. Started off real promising, like straight away. 3, 1 really good hit, missed. Another one I got to the boat side and it got off. This is alright, I don't mind. I caught another one. I thought, wow, this is going to be an unreal morning, because that was all in a period of about 5 minutes. And, yeah, then had a few other fish take stuff off the surface around the boat, and then it shut down. That's fishing. Anyway, thanks for watching. Thank you.